here. So keep on all your clothes. I am getting so hot, my foundation's falling off. ¿Qué onda? Hello. Welcome back to my canal de YouTube. So y'all are like, yo, you've been gone for like a week and a half. Which, by the way, is not that bad considering that any other like YouTube channel I've ever had, literally the videos are like years apart. So I'm getting on it, but I found something I enjoyed, so here we go. I am super duper schmooper looper mooper ooper duper rooper looper mooper cooper late on this whole Maybeline Super Stay foundation thing, but we gonna do a first impression, right? Y'all are like, girl, it's not first impression anymore. This is legitimately like the second impression, but we gonna do it. My friend Sarah, she told me about this and she said she really enjoyed it, and then I got a coupon in the mail. Hashtag sponsored, not sponsored. I definitely got a coupon in the mail, and I was like, I might as well buy it. It's gonna cost me like $6, so I bought it, and here we are. And I'm gonna try it today. This is also gonna be a little bit of a get ready with me, although it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, which reminds me I should probably put my Fitbit on because I was getting Fitbits on. Yeah, so it's going to be a little bit of a get ready with me. My friend has a cheer, like a showcase today. It's like tonight at like 9:15, but tonight's gonna be like yesterday, depending on when or like a week ago, depending on when I upload this. We're gonna do a first impression of this. I already primed, moisturized, did everything with my skin, so all we got left to do is put this on. And then I don't have a performance. There's a performance, but I'm not gonna be in it because I messed up my ankle because I thought trampolining would be cool a couple weeks ago. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. It really wasn't. Oh, Lord, honey child, and God in heaven, my guardian angel must be so tired. I mean, oh man, my guardian angel is probably like, Easter, please stop. You've had enough injuries. Ooh, sorry. I think it's allergies. Anyways, let's get on to the first impressions. Chose the color 312 Golden. I don't know if it's gonna be dark, but oh, girl, it's a pump. I don't know, it's a pump. I like this already. I really like pumps because they're really hygienic, and especially for me who has a lot of acne, I don't want like a lot of bacteria going in and out of my foundation. So yeah, we're gonna see. I've heard that it's like a dupe for the Huda Beauty foundation, which everybody loves. I haven't tried because, you know, I'm broke. So do a couple pumps here. So here we go. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide. I don't think I need it. I think I put way too many pumps in my hand, by the way. Oh, girl, I think this might be a little too light or dark. I can't really tell. I heard it oxidizes though, unless I'm going crazy. Because if it oxidizes, then I might be cool, or I might not be cool. I don't know. Am I cool? My first impression so far is I look half dead. I look half dead, so it's definitely full coverage. They were not lying with that. So far, I really like it. It's definitely full coverage. I look dead, which is like great. Okay, and like acne, where? Okay, there's a little bit coming out, but not really that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit more. Nothing serious to like those parts I can really see. Yeah, I like it a lot. You can't really see any of my acne scars. I think it's great. So we'll see how it lasts throughout the day. A couple things to point out. Things always crease under my eyes. I think that's everybody. All right. But my nose, I can already see it breaking on my nose. My nose is not a safe place. I don't think there's ever been a foundation or anything of that matter that has never fallen apart on my nose because I'm a nose sweater. All right, so we're gonna move on and do the rest of my face. I'm gonna do a really basic face look. I don't really do everyday makeup because I don't really wear makeup every day. I only wear it really when I want to be extra, look cute, stunt on these hoes, and I have performances. So we're gonna do my face, and then I'm gonna come back later tonight, and we'll see how it wore. But I know this is hella late first impression, but this is a broke girl's impression. I'm so broke, dude, that I had to wait for a coupon to buy. That's where I'm at in life, okay? And if you're here and you're at the same place I am, well, now you know. So far, it's nice. Go ahead and put on my concealer. I'm using the NYX HD Studio Concealer in CW 3.5. Also dry down mad fast, so you have to like blend. And then I'm also gonna use the, no, I'm not gonna use, well, yeah, I am. I'm also gonna use the Wet n Wild concealer in the color medium peach. We're gonna put this darker color on the outside because I don't want to look crazy, and I kind of just really want it to blend, but I'm not gonna do that on the middle of my face. It's already breaking on the nose. I still like it though. There's never been a foundation that's been able to withstand my nose, so you know, I'ma let it slide. Girlfriend, why'd you let him treat you so bad? Oh, ooh, oh, oh, girlfriend, you know you're the best he ever had. Oh, ooh, oh, oh, always and forever. Oh, yo, wait, what? Okay, y'all, something just happened. I used the Maybelline BB bronze to like bronzen up my face, and it took off the foundation. So I don't know what that's all about. What the hell is that all about? That's literally never happened to me before. I can't even tell the lights in my face. No, we're good. Okay, it didn't take it off in the cheek. I'm gonna set my under eyes. I'm not gonna do anything serious again because it's supposed to be like a no makeup look, but there's definitely makeup on my face. I think anybody can see it. I'm using the Airspun loose face powder. It is a little light. I'm just gonna use a little bit, put it under my eyes. I don't want it because it's a little light. Even the colors they have, like the medium is too light for me too. You know what I mean? And I feel like it makes me look more pinkish, and like the deep is too dark. I mean, I'm not, you know, I'm not deep, so it's definitely too dark for me. So I go ahead and I just use this one, but oh well. There's worse things in this world. I mean, there's people that literally can't even find like translucent powders that work for them or foundation shades, so I'm chill. It just really, you really think that out of everything and out of any type of like industry, makeup would be the one that has every shade. And cause like that's money, dude. Like that's like this, like it's money. You know, we're talking about people who, you know, who spend money on looks. Everybody spends money on it, every woman. And I just don't understand why they don't have a skin tone, like, you know, things that work for everybody, or at least could work for everybody. I just think it's ridiculous. And like, although yeah, like I can find it's already breaking on my nose. Although yeah, I can like find like things of my skin tone in stores and stuff. You know, it just really is, it really sucks. Cause like you want everybody to be included, and like there's even some foundations and stuff that I can't even use, or like products I can't use, like It Cosmetics, I can't use that. Like I bought like I didn't buy it, I got a, you know, I have like one of the subscription boxes, and I got like a concealer, and the concealer was deep, and it was the second darkest concealer, and then the darkest one was really dark, and I used it and I was like, I can't even use this. It was like pink and gray. I've never seen pink and gray as a color combination, but it was pink and gray, and it but you know, it is, those are the types of things that we need to work on together as a community, because it's just not fair. And even like if you say like, oh well, maybe it's because they don't buy makeup, they do. Trust me, they do. Everybody buys makeup. I mean, you have like people, I know it's like the same thing for people who are really pale, like they can never find anything because it's always too dark. And I can guarantee you that these makeup companies can easily make really light shades and dark shades to please people. They just don't want to. So, but I don't know. Nobody asked me, huh? So I'm not gonna fill in my brows because 1, I don't feel like it. 2, I'm really bad at doing brows. And 3, I got really thick brows, so I just might as well use them. So I'm just gonna use a brow gel. I'm using the e.l.f. Prime and Stay Finishing Powder in medium dark to contour a little bit, but I'm about to put some of this Fit Me Medium 25 Loose Finishing Powder, which I put all over my face, on it to kind of lighten that up. Okay, that turned out better than the other side, which is, I'm gonna give myself a chin. Don't ever, ooh, took a picture and I forgot to give myself a chin with my makeup. Never again. Never again. When I tell you never again, I am telling you never again. I could zoom in how it's breaking on my nose, but like, do you see all that breakage? I'm not gonna dock it points because it happens with every foundation. I've used expensive foundations from NARS and like Marc Jacobs, breaks apart on my nose. So I'm not gonna knock it points, but I'm not gonna add any either, you know. If it could survive the nose, that would be a foundation. All right, I am going to actually pretty much just use transition shades on my eyes. So I'm gonna use Caramel from this Candy Peach 18 blendable matte and shimmer eyeshadows palette I got on, oh, something just fell. I got it on Amazon for, I think it was like $8. So I like it. You know, it's not super pigmented like it says it is. Oh no, it just says blendable. Yeah, it's blendable, but it's not like super pigmented, but it was only $8 and I like it. So and then gonna take Taffy, which is this like really light color. It's just like you know, we're just gonna pop that on our inner lid and then that's it. Literally that's it, y'all. I'm using a Luxie 249 brush. I know it's a real brush, isn't that crazy? I definitely got it in one of those subscription boxes. I think I've only bought maybe one real expensive brush in my life. The rest of them have been given to me through subscription boxes. Gotta do what you gotta do. What else? Reddish color. So this is the Aura Bad Habit palette. I got it on this app called Hush, and it was only $12. I bought it for my mom, but my mom doesn't really wear makeup, so she gave it back to me. And this is the Mystique color Mystique, and we're gonna go ahead and put that into our under eye here. It's color a Mystique. I really thought that shit was funny. Did I make a Mystique? Go ahead and put a highlighter, like a lid, like a color, you know, like a color in my eye. And into this. There's this new highlighter that I just straight up love that I got in one of the subscription boxes, and it's the Winky Lux Charm holographic highlighter. It's not holographic for one thing. It's duochrome, but it's pretty. It's like this pink, like, oh, I love it. Like, you see, like in light, it's like pinkish. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that and highlight my face with that. I'm using the Luxie Taper Highlighter 555 girl 522 brush, and we're gonna go ahead and put that here. Oh, that's so pretty. Kinda. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Hansel and Gretel Shade and Light blush. I got this at TJ Maxx, pretty sure a year ago. Probably shouldn't be using it, but you know. I do what I want. So I'm just gonna put just a little bit here. We're gonna move on to lips. I am using the Whipped Facelit color in 05. I think it's called Cocoa Bean. I love it. It literally is just like the color of my lips. So it's like my perfect nude. What I don't like, it doesn't really last very long. So it's just more of a color. I just want food. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put lip gloss on, and then this look is gonna be done. Alright, I am using the Laura Geller Sparkling Cocktail Lip Gloss. Put that on my lips. Ooh, that's the magnifier. I did not like that. For the set and spray, let it set, let it stay. Alright, y'all, we are done. I used the Urban Decay All Nighter, set my face. Alright, we're done. Cool. I'm gonna go cook, eat, see my friend do her showcase, and then I'll be back and I'll let y'all know how it wore throughout my night. Also gonna do an eye video, so my eyes might look a little different, but that's besides the point. So thank y'all, and well, I can't say thank y'all yet because we're not done, huh? See y'all. Let's get back to the subject at hand. This foundation right here, how did it stand? So right now it is 11:24. So after 3 tries at this video and going to my friend's cheer and crying over this essay I have to write, which I still haven't written, I think it's been alright. I have had to like blot it a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I am oily, although I'm not usually this oily. But my skin gets more oily whenever I put like foundation or stuff on. So yeah, and it tends to like culminate my T-zone, as you can tell. But besides that, I think it's pretty well. The nose, it didn't break. I mean, it did break, but it didn't break more from when it was breaking during the video. So I like that. Yeah, I think it's great. I really do like it. I think it's a really good price, especially you get a $3 off coupon. And I think it's great quality. Now, do I think there's better? Maybe. We'll have to see if my skin reacts to it. Because I usually use the LA Colors Truly Matte in Warm Honey. And it works great. Only problem is that sometimes my skin reacts to it. So if I can use this and my skin doesn't react as bad or at all to it, then it'll really be a winner. But so far right now, yeah, I like it. I don't know if it would last 24 hours, but besides that, there's really not any serious creasing or like any breakage on my face. So it has done pretty well. Thank you guys so much for putting up with this long video. I know all my videos have been long. I'm going to try to branch out into different things. Like I like music, I like being funny, I like stupid jokes, as you know. But I'm just so grateful that there are people in my group who are actually asking me to do these videos, and I've been really having a good time. I promise I'm gonna have an eye look for my performance coming soon. I did shoot it, but then my phone died, and then I kind of quit on that. But I won't anymore. So thank you guys so much. Please be sure to turn on your bell notifications. There's like a little bell thing. I don't know if I have the graphic skills to like show it or put it in the corner, but please click on that if you want to see when I upload. Since I am a new YouTuber and I don't have a lot of like views and videos, my stuff tends to get put in the back through the YouTube algorithm, which, you know, it is what it is. But if you don't want to put your bell notifications, or you want to be extra sure about my videos coming out, you know what I mean, if you like Super Saiyan fan, you know what I mean, you can go ahead and follow me on all my platforms. I obviously have a YouTube. I was about to say YouTube. I have a Twitter, a Snapchat, and an Instagram. And trust me, if YouTube doesn't let you know that I got a video coming out, I'ma let you know. Okay, I got you. So you can follow me on all those handles. They'll be down below. And thank you guys again. Gracias so much. I'm so grateful. And please be sure to come again. I don't know what that accent was. I apologize for that. You probably shouldn't come back just because of that.